Made by Mon filter, made in Germany. This thing's got a little bit of heft to it, so hopefully it filters better. So today we are replacing cabin air filter in a 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander. So pull this down, there we go. Here's the housing right there. And then one extra step, you just have to remove this little guy here. Just grab a screwdriver and gently pry that off. And then you will drop the glove box for better access to this guy. You just got the glove box pulled down, and we open this little lid here, and here comes the filter. So this thing's been here for 3 years and 16,000 miles. Filter does not look too bad. This is the clean side, right? Because the air gets sucked in, gets down. You can kind of see small little particles on there, but because it's been in the car for 3 years now, we're going to go ahead and replace it. So this replacement cabin air filter came from Amazon. We're going to compare it to the original one that came with the car. So this appears to be a carbon filter. Looks a little different from the original one. The original was super light. This thing's got a little bit of heft to it, so hopefully it filters better. Yep, so this is the replacement piece. Sort of the A premium brand from China. So hopefully this one works well. And that is what it's like compared to the stock Mitsubishi one. Made by Mon filter, made in Germany. April 8th, 2020. Very cool. You gotta note the airflow. So with the stock filter, it actually sat like this, right? Remember, the air goes from top, goes down here. This filter, the air is pointing up. So we need to make sure when we install it, that we have it installed like this. Okay, we are ready to roll. Got today's date on it and the current mileage, and these usually should be changed between 15 to 30,000 miles or every couple of years. Inspecting everything. Actually gonna grab a little rag and clean it in there. Alright, nice to paper towel. Wipe the dust as much as possible here. A little bit of dirt in there. Let's install this baby. Just gotta make sure it fits in there nicely. And then we'll grab the cover panel here. Snaps on really nice. Ready to go. That's it. And then we reassemble that. Snap back on. So we got that connected. The bottom of the glove box is seated. Boom. Done. So once we replaced our AC filter, we're gonna go ahead and set this up every 2 years, 30,000 miles. I think we should make it every 15,000 miles. Boom, every 15,000 miles. May 8th, 2024. Today's actually the 7th, but the car thinks it's the 8th. Anyway, we'll check it again in 2 years or 15,000 miles. That's how you reset it. Boom.